Lately I've been staring at the dark. Turn my inner demons into art. Struggle with the pain inside my heart. Wish I didn't care about what they say. What you want to say, what you want to say, what you want to say, what you want. Say what you want to say, 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 what you want to no one. Make me feel good. Make me feel good. Make me feel good.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, traders. How is everybody doing? Hope all is well. Markets are moving today. Markets are moving. We're up a little. You guys are well. Hope everybody's good. Markets are moving. Yeah, thanks, Jay. Morning to you, brother. I had an ES long, but then I just sold it. Pretty good area that it tested. I had it pretty marked out on the on my chart here, the NQ. I was just too scared to take a trade, you know what I mean? They wiped it a couple times, but ES too. I did take a long on ES though, but I've already flattened it. I took this short though. I'm right here. But sold it too early. Just sold it on a sweep of this. But it's money. Yeah. Can look at the 4 hour here. It's kind of the level that I had marked just on this 4 hour candle. You basically just play the 4 hour chart, yeah? It's where all the good setups are anyway. NQ is almost tits perfect, man. I should have took a trade, I just didn't. I had just sat down, so I just sat down and then I kind of smashed into ES out of position, and then I was like, ah, fuck it, let me just get out of this trade. ES presented pretty good 5-minute gain. This is where I got in. I got in on the 5-minute gain, and they were retesting this, and I smashed in, and then I just took profits here on a sweep of this, or at this. Not bad. I did a little bit of trading today in the London session. Not too bad. Up $150 or so. A little bit of trading. Had a ES short at one point from up here. I had an NQ long too at the same time, and then I took an ES short hedge, and then flat now. Honestly, this kind of looks like a little bit lower. Bitcoin looks kind of rough too. I had Bitcoin longs, but they got stopped out. Bitcoin looking a bit spooky here, you know. Let's look at the 4 hour here on Bitcoin. Yeah, dude, this isn't looking very good for Bitcoin, you know. I think they're coming down here to test this. I don't know, they failed this pretty perfectly. I don't think they're. For the euro, let's check it. I trade the euro too sometimes. M6A, is it? M6A? Oh shit. M6A. I think it's M6B. M6E. I traded on these yeah, looks okay. They did hold this. That's basically held, right? failed this internal 4. Don't like that. Yeah, this is basically a failure to gain or a failure to lose here on this. Is that what you mean? Basically, they did wipe it out, and then yeah, failure to lose. Yeah. Good trade if you took it right here. I'd already have stop and a profit, obviously. Yeah, I'd have my stop up here already. Honestly, you could even put it here. Yeah, I'd probably even move it up to here. It's funny, like once you start understanding price action, it's like if it's not gonna happen, it's not gonna happen. Just get stopped out, you know what I mean? Like if the move's not gonna go, it's fine, man. Just I want to get out as soon as possible if the move's not gonna happen. Took me a long time to realize that shit, man. I used to always just leave my stop down here for like the longest time, man. Yeah, you really have to not give a shit. You know, I get people approaching me sometimes and saying they have money problems. Man, like I'm just like, dude, don't trade then. Get a fucking job. You try to come to trading to solve your money problems? I mean, in the future, sure, but not now. Even when you know what you're doing, you're gonna lose money. Takes a while to like master the shit, right? Well, while growing this small account though, I have to be like super careful, man, like on with my stops, and you know, really I can't just be taking trades all willy-nilly. The account's only at like, you know, not much, $1,800. It's fucking hard growing a small account like this, man. Yeah, you need to move for sure, dude. Just come to Bali, man. The only thing bad about Bali is traffic. Traffic is shite. It's really bad. But if you I don't go many places, you know what I mean? I'm a homebody. I stay home most of the time, especially if I'm in a nice place. I don't care to go out to a nice restaurant or whatever. There's tons of them here. Thailand's a good option too, man. Pretty cheap living, you know, beautiful weather all the time. Bali is like for tax, it's like the infrastructure is so shit that they can't regulate it, man. Like there's so many people operating like under the wire, you know. Yeah, you can have like in the villa that I own, I have fucking 200 up and 200 down, you know. So you can have that shit. It's just the places that I rent usually are not that the internet's never good because the landlords don't give a shit about good internet. Like in my villas, I put Unify access points all over the villas, like 4 of them, over 2 villas, and then I have 200 up, 200 down. And then as far as computer hardware, you can get whatever you want. You just need to import it. Takes a little while to get here. And things like that are usually just a little bit more expensive, right? Because it's better for you to go to like Bangkok and buy what you need and come back. You're in game dev, eh? That's cool. What kind of games do you develop? Anything I would have known? So for Bitcoin, I can't get involved again unless I see something, a 15-minute gain. You worked on Star Citizen? Dude, I'm the hugest Star Citizen fan. Are you fucking kidding me? I have fucking Virpal sticks and everything. That's hilarious, man. That's hilarious. Yeah, man, that's dope. Which spaceships? The Drake, Caterpillar, which one? You know what I mean? I know it. I watched like, you know, I watch their YouTube every week and everything. I'm like super fan of that game. That's funny. What fucking small world. Yeah, that game's finally starting to come together. Hopefully. It's only been in development for 12 years, dude. Oh, you worked on the Spirit? No way. In the Argo Mole? I'm a miner. That's hilarious. I use the Argo Mole all the time. Oh, that's dope. That's a fucking small world, Jay. That's funny. Yeah, I've been following that development for a long time. I hope it comes to fruition soon. I'll be so old, I'm not even gonna want to play. Oh, it's gorgeous, man. Especially the shit that's coming down the pipe, like all the fire and stuff inside the ships. It looks dope. Oh, that's really cool that you worked on that, man. Your NQ trade's looking good, man. Maybe down here one more time. Maybe just right here. Oh, yeah, I can do that. We have big numbers coming up. Oh, it's not so good for wages, eh? Yeah, I know. Sucks, but what are you gonna do? We have big numbers coming up at PPI 8:30, so the market's gonna go fucking crazy at 8:30, and core PPI. So yeah, numbers galore at 8:30. Get ready to get stopped out of all your positions, or shit's gonna blast off like crazy. One or the other. Oh, that's dope. Was it one of your, was it like working there one of your first like big jobs in game dev? Man. These connection issues are just brutal. Brutes, man. Yeah, I just asked if that was one of your first like big jobs in game dev. Because if it was, you know, it's not too bad. You just go get experience. You get paid a little less and get a good job. I'm sure a lot of people there are doing that. They must have a fucking huge staff. Yeah, so it's all good, you know. Even if you made shittier wage at first, it's fine. Get your experience and, you know, get the fuck out. That's how it works, like everywhere, really. Normally you move around company to company, right? Like you don't usually, it's rare that you stay at the same place all the time. Usually you move to make more money. Yeah, it's not just in game dev, right? Like I said, in the corporate world too, it just same exact shit, man. Like it's, you know, if normally they don't pay you enough to stay, and you can easily find another job if you're good at what you do, especially after you have a couple years experience. Like it's, you know, it's all anybody's ever looking for. You know, the speed is fine. I don't know why it keeps cutting out, you know? Even the up speed that's fine. I should be able to run fine off that with one stream. I was asking if you play Star Citizen, Jay. Maybe you left. All good. Well, what are we going to do with these markets here? We missed the entry on NQ. You bastards. Should have really kept at least one. I had 3 of these. Yeah, it's probably a good idea. That it's gonna go crazy. I'm gonna remove this. I probably won't trade until after that fucking thing comes, man, because, like, you know, it's nutty. We should be looking for different levels, actually, down, you know. It's the next level down. This is scary, dude. You know, like, there's nothing here, man. Good place to short it. I'd like to stop there. Alright, try a little short here. Why not, right? Pretty tight stop. See what happens. Kind of just a scalp. Good trade, Jay. It was a big one. You got it down here. It's 50. Yeah, man. It's like, 50 points. Good. All right, man. Let's see what they do. $59 entry. That's huge, man. It's like it's 50 points. Nice trade. See if they fail this. Try to get this. Oh, it's unfortunate about Bitcoin, man. I had hopes for that trade. Really good entry. Just stopped out. Son of a bitch. I had high hopes. little bit of selling here. Tiny bit. Just dump it, guys. Just dump it one time. Just dump it so I can get my stop into profit. Just dump it a little bit. Got those numbers in about 40 minutes. I'm gonna flatten this here. Another quick 15 bucks. I just don't want to be involved also when the numbers come, right? So should really be flat for those numbers, honestly. We don't know what the hell's gonna happen here. We don't know what the hell's gonna happen here, guys. All right. 148 on the date. Not bad. Not bad for $1,800 account. Morning, Mariusz. Thank you for stopping in. Appreciate you. All right, Jay. Thanks for stopping in, man. Appreciate it. Have a great day, man. We should play Star Citizen sometime. Not for a few months, though, until I'm back in my office. I can't deal with this shit internet. Yeah, Mariusz, lurking. That's okay, man. Even lurking is just good. It still supports the stream. Just anything being here and like pumping the numbers a little bit. Later, bro. So Bitcoin just rejecting this 15 again. This really is not looking the greatest for Bitcoin, right? Like, this is not looking good. The next thing down is just like this. So we'll see what happens there. Just the stream is just brutal. It just keeps restarting. Rough go of it. I can't wait to move. I move in a week, so in a week I hope the internet's better. It's in the next place that I go to. Yeah, like really, the internet quality here is just the shit. I should really put like a deep order here on ES just in case. You gotta think they're gonna hold this level, no? There's not much here. This is tested already. they pump it, they'll probably pump it into this. But just playing a gap like that is not, you know, just off the bottom of this. I don't know, maybe. I think I got out of that NQ trade. One more should we do? Really, man? Ah, damn it. Looks like we're going, boys. Looks like they're ripping. These numbers coming up at 8:30. Don't forget, boys. There is some big numbers today. The market is going to go crazy. So it's almost better to be flat. Bitcoin's looking like a little rough too, man, honestly. If we start gaining above this, you know, sure, we can talk about it. Talk about a long again. I don't know about playing any continuation shorts here. They bounced the proper level here, right? This is a 4-hour swing that they're bouncing, so probably gonna make new highs. Fuck, I sold my longs on ES again too early, man. One more short try on ES. How big's the stop here? 3-point stop, man. I'm gonna do it. NQ's at it too. Just looking for a scalp here. Like usual. And Q rejecting pretty good. Yes, no? No rejecty? Uh-oh. This isn't looking good. I would already be stopped if I took this trade on NQ. Stop out's coming here. Small stop, so it's okay. Uh-oh. Fuckers. What a move on NQ, man. Wow. $100 on the day. At least give me the profit. because they bounced that so hard, it kind of feel like they're gonna make new highs, right? This was a 4-hour swing. This was a 4-hour swing. Bitcoin still hasn't gained yet. Numbers in 19 minutes. Really gonna stop me out and then dump? Russell gaining the 15 here. After making new lows. This is pretty good setup, man, honestly. What's this worth? 39? Not too bad. Well, it looks like we're gonna have a trade in for the numbers. See if that gets tagged. Maybe. Maybe. We'll know in 15 minutes or so. Bitcoin looks to be gaining too. Not very convincing on Bitcoin, but gaining nonetheless. Maybe we'll get tagged in on Russell. See what Bitcoin does here. Kind of want to see them over top of this, right? This area is probably gonna be the one that gets tested here. This is already tested pretty good, so it's gonna be this bottom, I think. So when the numbers come, maybe down here first and then blast it. Pretty hard to trade that though. Right here. Or here. Kind of brutal. I got stopped out in this, man. Really, if they stopped me out by a tick and then turn it around, I just wanted a scalp out of the deal. I was gonna sell it here. What's going on in the 15? Numbers in 10 minutes. So we'll see if Bitcoin holds this. They hold this pretty good sign. Good sign they're going to gain it. We'll see. The problem with these numbers coming out is like they're, you know, these are big numbers that are coming out today, so they usually make the market just go fucking nuts, you know what I mean? So wouldn't be surprised if we wipe the bottom first and then blast it or what, you know. That's frustrating on ES, man. I had a short. Got stopped out by like $1. Kind of had my stop in a bad spot, I guess, man. I had my stop right here. Literally one tick. Terrible. Could already have my stop in profit, you know? It sucks. It's too bad. Yes, you know, they're just failing. I don't know. May just hold this top range. These are equal lows down here too. This doesn't look very good for the equal lows. I don't like that. I mean, it is only on a 15. Let's just look at the 1 hour. Is it equal lows in the 1 hour too? Oh yeah, it is. Is it really? Low, just about, but not quite. All right, numbers in 4 minutes. It's gonna be party time. Party time soon, guys. Three minutes. All right, man. 45 seconds, boys. Fifteen seconds. Big pump. Missed entry. Bitcoin's gaining. Okay, I'm gonna flatten this. I look to get into Bitcoin now. That sucks, man, that I missed that. Okay, I long Bitcoin. Kind of brutal, man. You know? They did test the top of it. I should have just took that. Oh well. Bitcoin long's not looking the best now. Shit, man. Just the worst. I thought it was gonna follow suit with the futures, man. It's all right. It's not a huge trade. Right, it's not a huge trade. kind of a shit entry though. Uh, 59920. Six zero 685. 60685. Six two 762. 62 658. 62 658. Yeah, sure. The rest we'll keep for a runner. We'll see. Probably just stop out coming, you know, like always. Yeah, I know. BTC. What are you gonna do, you know? I'm a little bitter that I didn't get into this trade, right? Like I had my orders right here, just a little too low. Damn it. I would have been big payday. You know? These guys are running now. Probably not going to be too much left to do for me anyway. It's going to be because, you know, I really just don't like trading the top of range here. I do think that they're gonna break out, but this was the trade to take. Nice to see the markets pumping again, though. Be good for my stock positions. So let's look at the hourly. Maybe there's something we can get into on an hourly level. Doubt it though. You know, like what do you do here? It's too late. It's all just too late. Missed opportunities, boys. Missed opportunities. Let's look at, like, you know, potential shorts, I guess. Where's this going? Where's the next spot? pretty significant spot we're at. Yeah, this isn't, you know, like at this point, it's not going to present any kind of opportunities for me for hours. It'll be probably, you know what I mean? So I don't know, man. I think I'm going to be probably done for the day. Hang around until market open. What are we ending out off the day at here? Plus $100. Not bad. Not bad for a small account. We were at 140. We took one stupid trade. Not too bad. I don't know why, but when I use Quant Tower with bybit, it freezes the chart. I can't use it. I have it connected, but when I enter my orders in, it'll freeze the chart. On the perpetual contract, I don't know why. Better for me just to enter it right on bybit, I guess. It sucks because I like to just use everything on this one program. If Bitcoin doesn't hold up here, you know, fuck. You know, this is the level to hold. If it doesn't hold here, it's like we'll see what happens down here, and if it doesn't hold that, look out. 45, 43 down here. There's really only a couple trades to be taken on Bitcoin. Right here, we had longs here before we got stopped out, just entering in another one. Right here is the next area. Top of this too. Really just a sweep of this. I'd be looking at taking longs again. Looks like a bit of selling coming in. Crazy move on that Russell and on NQ. Really, like, we had this pegged perfectly, but we had longs, we sold everything down here. It's so stupid, man. A little bit more selling. NQ about to take the liquidity here. See what to do with it. ES at the continuation spot. Bitcoin can pull it together here. Try a little scalp short here. Still like 14 points. I should have took it when it was here. Well, that's not the best. At least it didn't get stopped out. Not yet, anyway. Just gonna flatten this trade. Basically break even. This Bitcoin's going. Really? I think I might just call her a day today, man. That's it. I'm trying to like do these stupid trades. I think that's gonna be it. Not too bad, you know, not the best. We were higher before. 140 we were at before, ending the day at $100. Not a huge deal. I'm a little bitter because I missed this trade here, you know. I had the orders in. Like my orders were here. I got ticked today like 3 different times, man. It's kind of sucks, you know. Like just missed my order like 3 different times today. So I should have made more money than I did. But what are you gonna do, man? It's part of the game, I guess. Yeah. Just gonna probably end the stream before the market open even today. Hopefully this shit pumps. It's looking okay. It's a 50 times trade we have, so let's go. Hopefully we can get to here and here and here, and then runners for the rest. Still expecting Bitcoin to blast, man. Who knows if it will or not, but regardless, I'll be taking trades, leverage trades, and I'll be holding deep runners, man, every single time, because I'm expecting Bitcoin's price to go to like fucking 100 grand, right? So I'm planning on having a fucking high leverage runner. I think I closed that trade. This stupid trade, man. Like trying to trade shit like this on the 1 minute. Really, not the smartest. When they didn't reject it here, kind of knew, and when they did this and didn't stop me out, I was like, okay, let's get out of this trade. Should almost take a breakout trade here, man. Last trade, just one contract. See if it can hold this. Nope. So that's probably going to be it for me today, man. Ending the day with 82 bucks in the positive. Couple stupid trades in there. What are you going to do? We did long Bitcoin. So let's hope this plays out. We'll see. We longed on a retest of this 15 minute after they gained it. So looks like they want to hold this level, so we'll see. Honestly, for Bitcoin, it's like, you know, if they don't hold here, it gets pretty scary, right? You know, there's only one more area left down here, and then after that it's like 43. So, you know, it's kind of it for Bitcoin. This right here, you know, they've already tested the top of it, so this is fucking this. So this, and then maybe the liquidity underneath here. I'd much rather them just hold this and just go, you know. Got about 25 minutes to the market open. One more try it along. Well, I think I'm gonna leave it there, boys. We will reconvene again tomorrow. Check out some trades. Hopefully Bitcoin pumps and we're happy. Regardless, we're still gonna keep at it and keep taking money from the market. Growing a small account, you know, it's tricky. Not saying that it's not. It's definitely tricky. You really got to be careful about your stops and everything. Like everything's got to be done on like the 1 minute chart because you can't afford to fucking take big stops. Yeah. Anyway, thanks a lot for everyone stopping in. Appreciate you guys. Good luck today trading. We'll catch you tomorrow.